going to make sure we create an environment where those who visit the city, such as Times Square, won't have to be paralyzed with the fear of knowing that someone is carrying a gun in this area.
What Mayor Eric Adams signed today was really a series of rules mapping out the gun-free zone in Times Square and describing the signs that should be posted at zones. New York State's new concealed carry laws basically ban even legal permit holders from carrying in most places around the city. By designating Times Square, subways, parks, and even private businesses by default quote-unquote sensitive locations. And attorneys for the city say police officers will still treat it as a crime if they discover someone carrying a concealed weapon in Times Square, even though a federal judge has said the new gun control laws are unconstitutional.
The judge himself stayed that decision. It is not in effect. The law is the law. The law remains in effect and will continue to be enforced both in the city and throughout the state.
Gun rights advocates insist restricting legal gun ownership will simply send a signal to the bad guys that it's open season. But today, Adams called that view a misconception. He says his biggest fear is having too many guns, legal or not, turning Times Square into a shooting gallery.
A gunshot goes off. All of those legal gun owners now take out their guns, don't know who the bad guy is, who the good guy is.
Those tourists and residents that Adams is aiming to protect had varying opinions about if making Times Square gun-free actually made it safer.
My thoughts, nobody should have a gun, to be honest. That's just the way I feel.
I think if the right people have them, it's definitely a safe place to be.